What's up, family? Welcome back to Life with the Peoples. And today, y'all cooking with me. I can't cook. I'm doing some good old chicken wing. Like I said, I can't cook. It was something I wanted to try out and see how it come out and everything. It ain't a lot of them, but this is how they look. Finna wash my hands right quick, and then I'm finna clean these wings off. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all for the seasoning. Be right back. All right, man, we got that good old chicken all cleaned up, washed up, all good. And all I did was just got me a paper towel, put the chicken wings on it and stuff, kind of dried them off a little bit so that that season will stick real good. Sound like I know what I'm talking about, don't it? But show y'all a couple of seasons I'm gonna use. Y'all might look at me crazy for what I'm gonna use. I think men that can't cook probably gonna use too much seasoning, and that's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't know, but we got some Earl Campbell's all-purpose seasoning. Gotta have some black pepper. Got me some lemon pepper, and Tony's. This one got the no salt. Wife don't want me with too much salt stuff, you know. So, but that's what we got, y'all. I'm gonna start it off with this good old Earl Campbell's. But this how it look. Let y'all see it. It ain't really no high. It ain't strong of a seasoning to me. Like compared to Tony's and stuff. Like I tried a little, a little finger try. It ain't messing with Tony's, excuse me. Don't be saying that's too much seasoning. I ain't even got started yet. I love black pepper. Gonna hit it with some black pepper all over. She was fussing when I told her I'm gonna try this lemon pepper. Look at her, brand new bottle. Don't use all my lemon pepper. You ain't been wanting to use up no lemon pepper. I'm in my head, y'all. All right, got that good stuff going. I ain't gonna use too much of it. I do love lemon pepper though. I do want to taste it on the wing. And I season based on how my chicken look at the end, probably. I have tried seasoning chicken before. I'm not a cook. I can't cook, honestly. So, just from the stuff I'm telling y'all, don't be thinking I'm lying. I really can't cook. There we go. Now, this one I gotta make sure I get on there, that Tony's. I don't see Tony's up in that cabinet, y'all. All right, it's not a lot of seasoning. I'm gonna let y'all see it, because y'all gonna talk about it. That's how that good old chicken looking right now. Hit these hands one more time, y'all. I'm gonna stir this old chicken up some more. Love my chicken, man. I love my chicken. All right. I'm gonna get off in there. Like I said, I kind of season mine based on how it look at the end. If it look like ain't enough seasoning on there, I'm throwing some more on there. Yeah, I see some people just taste it and all that. Nah, I gotta make sure I see something on it. Like that look like seasoning, but we gotta hit it with some more seasoning, man. It's not enough. Slight bit more black pepper. I like trying stuff. If I see something, and if I end up seeing something up in there, I even try to put some hot sauce up on that junk. But we ain't gonna do all that today. Stay tuned. I'm thinking about going into learning to cook. Have my wife teach me some cooking, you know. But I'm thinking about doing it where Y'all probably end up naming some y'all want to see me cook, and I try it for myself first, which I know gonna be wrong, and then have her to come back and do it the right way. But throw some more of that Tony's on there. It's gonna be good to me. Tell you that. Man, don't y'all talk about me too much. See, oh Lord. Let's stir that. And even though it's a little amount, I'm actually gonna sit that over. Sit on some saran wrap or something over it. Put it in a bowl or something. Sit it up in there. Let it marinate. Just because. I just want to try it. I ain't never did all that, but want to try it, see how stuff come out. Do y'all back go to hurting? Y'all be standing up in the kitchen and stuff? Man. Shout out to you, to God's creation of women, man. Y'all job is hard. I wash dishes and stuff, my baby tearing me up. But anyway, back to this video. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that's probably enough. There. Let me move that out. Let me get that out y'all way. Look at that. Good old wings all seasoned up. I really want to hit it with some more, because it just don't look like it's seasoned enough. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth if my food good or not too. Yeah, let's do it there. That one right there. I like that color. I want my chicken to look like it got seasoned all over it. Gotta get some paprika. So, we ain't have no garlic powder and stuff like that. I would have used anything in there just to try it out. All right, we got that all stirred up real good. Now, y'all, I'm gonna put this in a bowl or something, put some saran wrap or something over it, sit it in the refrigerator for a couple hours or until I get ready to eat. Then I'm gonna take that out. Gonna get that grease ready and everything. We're gonna get the frying these wings. So I'll be back to y'all soon. All right, y'all, we back. Let them good jokers marinate for a couple hours or whatever. Now I'm gonna get ready to drop these jokers in some flour. Then we're gonna put them in that good old grease. I'm gonna show you what a person that can't cook. I'm gonna show you how they cook. Hear that good old grease, don't you? Hit these hands one more time. Gotta keep them hands clean so you keep touching the food and all that, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. Y'all that don't know, if you watch some of the other videos, you would. But I am the chicken man. I'm the chicken man. Love the good chicken. Oh, y'all hear that good grease. Let me show you how they did back in the day. Test that grease. You already hear it though. Get your little that water. You hear that now? Good old cooker, huh? Put a little of that water in there, make sure that junk is ready. You ain't gotta get all that toothpick and stuff. People don't buy toothpicks all the time. Get your little drip of water and drop off in there. Let's put these good old wings off in this chicken. And this flour. So we can get all of them up in there. Pull them up real good. Hey, come on down now. Come on down. Y'all seen me jump? What's going on about that grease? Hey. Y'all gonna be laughing when y'all see that, man. It's the sign I can't cook right there. Alright. So, Them jokers all coated good. Give it a little shake off. Watch that. Oh. Oh, hey. Come on. No, hey. Hey. God, boy. Somebody come up here and tell my wife to come teach me how to cook this food. Guess I'm gonna be bringing comedy to the channel and everything, huh? Keep me out the kitchen. Keep Mr. Peoples out of the kitchen. Oh man, it smells good already, y'all. I might become a cook. Mr. Peoples might become a cook. Whew. Just might become a cook. Couple more, y'all. You know, it'll hurt my little feelings to mess around and leave a wing. I wouldn't know how to act, y'all. If I messed around and left a wing in here. See, I remember there was a little piece like this, and there are 2 little pieces, and I went and found them too. We don't let none of the chicken get away. We don't care, big, small, coming up out of there. All right, I think I got all my good old wings up out there, y'all. All this got to do is cook now, y'all. My wife don't play by the kitchen, so I gotta keep stuff clean as I go. You know, I don't cook. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna give y'all. I hope y'all remember the before look of that chicken, how good it looked and everything. Yeah, but you gotta keep it clean. I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking in that good grease right quick. Let me freshen them hands up right quick. I get to touching all this stuff. She gonna keep me from cooking now because I done used up a whole roll of her paper towels, y'all. You ain't give me that thing now. All right. Bring y'all over here. Let you see how it's looking. Yes, sir. Mr. Peoples in the kitchen. Look at that stuff. Smell it. Taste it with your eyes. Yeah. Let y'all get that good view. That's how we done it. Mr. Peoples in the kitchen. Y'all know what? Let me tell y'all the secret. I don't think I've cooked since like the very beginning of me and my wife's relationship. Like the very beginning. I'm talking before marriage and all that. That's a long time. But yeah. That's what it's looking like right now, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the after results, man. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. Oh man, Mr. Peoples done it. Look at that good chicken. I mean, and it's all for me. My wife don't want none, y'all. My hot sauce, man, too, man. It's fresh out the grease. Look at that hot sauce. Yeah, that too much probably ain't enough. That look even better to me. Hold on, let's see what we got. Get one of these. There y'all have it, a little ASMR. Cooking with Mr. Peoples. Learning to cook. The chicken came out good. Honestly, it really is good. Hey, y'all give me some down in the comments that y'all would like for me to try to cook. I'm not a cooker. I can't cook. But I did doggone good on this chicken. Wish y'all can taste it. Hey, make sure y'all like, subscribe, just stay tuned, you know, stay tuned in with us. Give us some good ideas on stuff to put out, you know, for y'all. But I'm finna enjoy this chicken. Love y'all. Stay safe. God bless.